Why you running? Why you leaving? Why you breaking up? Hold on, answer. Hold on, answer. Why you running? Why you leaving? Why you breaking up? Hold on, answer.
Nah, I am no agent. Free as Oda hono obre. Minyin paboni ni sa. Amiti mama mewu. Sira ojitum. Ni kokodura me fane ko hospital.
Marcus. Nti na wendi dinana.
Yo.
Yeah, somewhere too much. No, I think it.
Adentina ni panya omobo.
Oje, Mati. Na me ye say bi am ye ni pa boni ana say Mati. Ide obetimi na go hospital. Na some na me pese beba because omunya find out say poisoner. I'll be in trouble. And you too. You understand? But if you say so, you can't take it. Okay.
So me de ne kwa. E wo sent mpa no amenu mi ye pe baby fa. Me too free fio. Me kopa apartment me han ne dey. Ye ko to aso wo.
That is better.
Ago. Ago. Yellow. What's up? What's up? Yellow.
Anyway, you can take her to the hospital so that we find somewhere else and be together. If that's the case, fine. What's your sentiment? Come on, anyway. Can you say?
Wo yes hadie me catch you. Wo started so wo fa bin bone so person wo poison no. Me catch you. Me catch you si jai. E me na wo hia me. Me so na da bia metimi beauty time na me dia ba be hye wo ntwen. But what timi dia bin bone hye mutim onye Ghana ni, onye Nigeria ni, e mate. Obia all brain and the Japanese no one can open so to the panel for the Japanese.
Marcus, who did you trust? Something Matthias is a kind of
You worry out the devil name. You okay?
Okay, as a good Samaritan, young fan in hospital, I feel you. Near to baby, in fact. So now I can't know. It's better.
The near Uncle Hospital, meant to many panning home.
What's up? Yo. What's up? What's up? What's up? Ade? Huh? What's up? I don't know. Cause I'm away, I'm here, Jeffy. Ade? What's up? Yo! What's up? What's up? I don't know. I'm here, Jeffy. Ade?
It is certainly no kind. I mean, you're not in Boabuan. I'm in Fanny Hospital.
You grab my breath.
What's up, fine? Yellow. What's up now?
Oh, no, how to say?
Now,
you done the damn well. Yes, I'm not open. Who am I? Hey, now how do I sir? No, I'm fine.
I don't want to pray him.
That's because it's him. Marcus, if you know,
Obi Oyara no. I want to mean nothing no.
Marcus, I sama bo.
Hey.
Ana how shall wash you? No bet me anantin bo. Marcus, I sama ba.
Oni ho.
Marcus, I sama ba. Police case abem. Ntonya mi ebedem.
Ni ade na ye ne die. Ye ntimi ntena ha. Emma 1 minute kura anye dey. Emma. We inside wo. Na ko pack wo ni o ma ni ye fi.
No me kwa me ka so oni ebusiafo.
Fast.
Marcus. Sisi ya betene o how bi enu wo. What because yen yin free one yin free one ka we ma. Eni so obi abefa no se okonyi o so mo de ni ko hospital se den yo na busuafo na aba o minim. What mase? Nke yin free one ka we na e ma ha betene ye dundum ye fo no bi enu obetresi ye aba abehu ye wa ha. Nti yen forget ni mo ye bra.
Minim e man kasa. Adwan aye dey. Yankopon body tumutim.
Na nkasa
So wotie me for once ankene. Enya ne ye ne. Me ka kire o se ba bia ye tene yaso dwe ye. Yenye ne ye no. Ni enkoso ne yenye dey ye enjoy. Onti ase. Upese wo yi obi firi wo na wo ye dey. Wo fa na japade ye. Ani bere bone ene pese me nkumenye nti. Ene ye ne.
Ene de na aba.
Medwena ma menwene. Medwena ma menwene.
Ade. Menye sa o Marcus. Sisi ade me no aba ha mi tete wana. Me tete o me no wote kama nti menye sa. Forget ni mo e bra. Isema wo certificate ni kwa da so wo betimi apre aduma foforo bi kwa sa iskaba won sema. Ni akope baby e kama ne atena. Nya no na wo hwehwe. Ni baby e kama na wo hwehwe.
Etimi wo na wo penu ni. Se na wo penu.
Marcus na kan me
Se na wo penu. Odwini se de beba bewie ha ne. Sa na odwini no. Odwini se de beba bewie ha ne.
Eye wo je ye.
Odwini se ne wo ye no wafo obi ajapade. Ena ajapade ne we. Eni si ye pie ya ye kope bibia di aba. Ye ba ya obi aba be fa no no.
Alukwa me ka se ti dan ni ma ade ti no wen.
Na tie se nipa no a wa ba be fa no okura enokura enta dwendwene mfama wo.
Se mi de minim nipa kwa wa be fa no. Nti ni aba ha no nse no. Ati ase e. Sisi a wadum phone, mi su mi phone adum. No ai na ebe hu ye twa apan.
Me su me ho. Me sro ma me su me hu.
No please jai sam me.
Ma menwene me ho. Ma menwene me ho. Ba bi eduru na eduru anibre.
Sir, the uncle passed so that's it. Yes, me knew so I will be born. Said they, but the Macadrin answered in a mere said, Obiate me up poison. The mean you could baby up or condition you could dream. What me so by the yes. Go doctor near catch him say a poison and Jensen. And then why would be born?
Jennifer, Mamma dear Bonnet Ben on the day for you be.
That day.
Bonnet Ben, and I'm a day for you be to deserve this at time say. Anna, it could be said. Me made an amenity fiancé.
Need.
And I mean, can I say?
Like how meet this will poison. You made your own and it's here. They said the name could even see my class and was support you or tell me back. And to see there's a maid in the bit like this.
I didn't tell Mammy, dear Tony said. On them, I know fall out. Me, Marcus, Everton, Madame for boyfriend, I make us say me find a way to them. Oh, no, I'm in any fiancé. But Marcus, also can't soon, I say. Meaning maybe also wafa.
o guy na wo fa na dwuma mu wona na woni ndi ti bisa like enti obetena fi ha bi
my boyfriend and I'm in Tiffy has said.
Oh, you might be not see me, you. That's it.
Hey, Marcus. Man, yes, I know what I have to prefer so. Now, why?
Who be some say me kwai?
One
One cause I will disturb me peace.
Me disturb you peace. And then me a peace of mind. Me sign disturb that same peace.
Yellow, also way me peace of mind.
No one will kind.
Whoa.
You see, me no peace of mind, you.
Hey. One cause I know me nim baby am a fire am de ba be hia o mabrabo. What be say me ni o ma nyina.
Me.
What twema free soro de ma ba be bofo.
Marcus Jaisa.
Me hu say na e wo sitiere me nim say o mu ode. Me pe ba ko bi di afa manu.
Sir.
Ene me ne.
Na me so ma be kwale ni me nya ode. Me so me interest o ni me ni obi be chaw. Afia say nti na me see yen ni influence say anu wa wo ko enfa na wo ko.
O fole ye no ena wuti mi a. Ankene enye ni si aba bi wi ha.
Wuti ye me.
Me ka chaw si ye nyai. Ye ma ne ntena ne baabi. Na me no mienu ni ye no. Odasani bia ni dey ewu.
Marcus Jaisa o ha we ni che me mpesa. Me no mienu aya de afia asema ba wo pese wo yi hye me.
Sa wo ni me na ye.
Na me ni wa na ye, me no na
Na
sha.
me do ni ma o.
Marcus Jaisa una ade sa adwene ba.
Me na me do ni ma.
Na ade adwene tu bitiri mu. Afa de me ya de wo pese wo yi ni na ade hye. Marcus na ye sa.
Me da wasi.
Me ko baby a Marcus Jaisa. Kona wo ko enkofo baby a wo ti dem ka cho me. Yes I me the area ha me hu sa wo no ba bi tari dan ho ade me ba jija wo ne sa oba no area ha no ho. Mete me kapa.
Wan ka sa ye brunsan.
Me ye bronsam.
Wo ye brunsan efse bibi hye wani ase. Me donyame o hata soro. Bibi hye wani ase. So wo nya baifo a na obi bi na wa.
Nti wo ko. Marcus. Mbakwa baba to.
Debbie. Say me do call hospital ya e be see now. O made no sun sent me ma ha on me afia ndie. Na me suspect bibi.
Meaning baby on na.
Any usha. E see the case. Inquiry case to inquiry report to.
It's the same.
Now o made na wo kan afon what na kwesi me nim se okofa guy ne betena ha. I made this as someone in see cancer. We are here on Codaus. Umoto, my fear. And to be shining into all heaven, to what is it? One in the madam to fear, what free fear, all of a sudden on so may fear. Like, how? Huh? Oh, the light on the area so. So we would be no who are dear, why you want no be patchoa. Sometimes. Me na bi boni bi anta nchiro msa me an mistake am koyeye se le am kan correction me kan an kan che tina odi gina so so opam ba na nye sanity oh me don wo bi asi na na eneme enye obi fufuru bia what you say entina me hu se bia ya wo na wo de pam me. As you see, I mean, I mean, done as you said. When some say, "Flew a brother," then I mean, because I mean, any intention is send me by your body, and I said, "Maybe to come." Maybe let's have Joseph actually. Oh, sir, dear, you see, me so I had a bar, Sergeant back. Why? Me door to do bar, sir. You mean to call me young, my brother. Se me na me ne kon ma bi piase na ka yi bisinye o me kiss me ma bi ko me se me ba ha we pam me oh na bi push me bra bi bra me bi nya ka bi atu yi me nya bra boso se me ya wodi akoso
say. Hey. Where's my baby?
Besi coffee.
Me coffee enfa.
Ye ko yo mo.
Chemi mu. Ah, e na ko so.
Besi ko no ko no medro.
E problem. Me pa me so na
ba me so edro pa na ba jana ba trans.
Ko so medro.
Adam
se me yale.
Wa bodam na me hwe.
Me ma bodam. O jale me ti me ni me ti ya no me nim ne e ko so adade ne me jina ne.
Beki. Wa bodam.
Me ma bodam.
Wa bodam na me bi fi abonche ba tu e ba me ho na me hwe o fi. I'm so edro e ye odnyama bibiri wa na nwa to si ni nim kwa se nwa to kra unu aba an okasa atala me so nwa to
me ma boda
wa boda ki wa boda che
enti
ejara bawo
eti mi di mafo wo ya we nyina madam nyina makobi mu
wana e makus beki wana e makus
wo se ma boda
wa boda
enti ase palatin tata mi tirim na we nso e ya ko so na bu
wana e makus wana e makus
me ba ma na me nexe ai mananti amafo ni mi mantamula
mina mi du be fi mina mi nya wa ko che du be fi papa no aye ma mi ti mi du be fi o mi hu mi tumi ja o sa mi du be fi mi ami aka se mi ti adwo eye nyama bebe ma
Jenfi Gedi kind Mr. say obey you are coming now them inform so actually the way be family be o de show trade ya nkonyankopon ani na fa cheme what Bonica maybe say the angel sorry the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know so what you say but you know me mistakes be brave kakra from me so and I think that this is the time for me to say be am correcting my mistakes my and I bet you say be here NCP my mistakes and then I'll be the best girlfriend I always expecting. I'm sorry. Okay.
Sure. Didn't come and was fine, my dear tuna, Miss Mapaucho said, Menamacofa are reading number. And you're not for to read the film, so I'm count was a situation. And if I check me, now me and Cassan miss me feel a brother, I say, Miss my big mistake. And
Betty, you.
Me more bema, me for bema flat children and me. Marcus, if you and me, Mamma Cosawa, Yahweh name. Hey,
you're making a catch or say, then my information, they make a catch or say, to share the Yana no money trap of fire better than to say shadow about no man. About okay, they make a castle to stop a man. China, now living different life. Living different life. Which I say, but sharing in your cook, what back there, living different life. It's true. There's no man simple.
But on board a matter.
You know, mom. You know, living different life. Jai Sam Marcus are saying, and what a transit. No gym, no they do any. Why? It's true. Not just a bema.
Me dance and say, but told me, baby, not with me, boy. Call me down, me, baby, cry me that my next year. Obi a say be me told me so di me par. I am better wa.
And now me so they make my dance and I know me dance. I know chop up on so me dance say. No to boa me. Na me so me they make me boa. Am say wa ba fam. What you say? Ti they make my catch or say. Ma. I dey call we you. Friend Santa Sado.
Eh, na manante pa.
190.
Meti wo hwimu, ona meti me anante edu san. Hey, eta moya.
To there, yanko me one Oko trans na ade chemi do ko mi fa ko sheka. Why?
Hey, Marcus, you need to be able to see you.
Hey, catch yourself. Forget it. That's